Oh yeah. You get it gone now. Look at that. They just ripped that sumbitch right out there. They just ripped it right out there. He taking it right over there. Destruction was a little better a few minutes ago. Not quick. And the excavator. Yeah, taking that over there. Lovely pile of cinder blocks here. Sorry about the focus, I'm kind of walking around. Down goes more steel. Oh yeah, he gonna hit it from the front now. He gonna give it a frontal exam. He was giving it an oral a minute ago, but now he's gonna give it an anal. I'm standing in the front, so it looks like he's gonna start the oral exam now. He just finished the colonoscopy. That's what it do. Oh shit, turning like a tank. Oh shit, oh shit. Check that action. All right, here we go. Here we go. You gonna wreck something? Break something, knocker. Yeah. Oh, he clearing the way now. He moving stuff, moving that little piece. Look at how intricate that tool can be. Such a massive tool, but yet so intricate. All right, here he goes. Yes, yes, that's right. Rip her down. Rip it down. Rip it down. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, there's that destruction. There it is. All right, hang tight, y'all. Danger, danger, stranger, danger. Danger due to strangers. Give me a minute. Walking on over here. Going on this way, y'all. Gonna see what he doing over here. Gonna go talk to one town. Gonna go walk this way here. It's cold. It's so very cold. It's epic. Look at that destruction. Oh, here it comes right there. Oh yeah. Money shot. Booyah! And down she goes. And down she goes. Pitter patter, let's get at her. Yeah, there's the other part of that roof. Dirty, stankin' bet place. People going in there wasting their lives on tracks and whatnot. Betting on horses. This place was a horse track betting place, but I bet that nothing's gonna come of this now. It's just gonna be a big old empty lot for a little while. Well, we'll get it in there for another couple minutes. We can do it. Let's get you the focus that you require. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. Boom. And down she comes. See, y'all thought it was just gonna be me breaking shit all the time. No. No, I record videos of all types of destruction I can find. Anything that breaks, I will record it. Believe you me. I actually want to take this time while I'm behind the camera to recommend to everyone that you have any destruction videos of your own, send them on in to me and I'll throw them up for you. I'll give you a shout out to whatever channel you ask. Whoa! down it comes. He gonna rip it up now. He gonna rip it up now. Oh yeah, he ripping it. Nice big chunk. Oh yeah. Ah damn. Down she comes. Down she comes. I'm gonna try to record it until. Oh shit! I didn't even realize I didn't have that on there. Sorry about that, folks. I was watching below. Oh yeah. Boom! Yeah! Looks like your boy got down here just in time to watch them finish this bitch right out. Oh, here we go. Here we go. He's swinging right into it. Yeah! Demolished. Fucking demolished, people. Absolutely destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. Oh, you gonna take the wall down? Oh, no, Just kind of letting y'all enjoy the destruction right now. I'm enjoying it myself thoroughly, actually. My hands are going numb, but I don't really give a fuck. Well, it doesn't look like we're gonna get to see them take down the wall. We go, oh, 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 there's some more. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Look at that, look at that, look at that big old crunch. Look at that. And down she goes. Okay. Well, they're gonna keep doing their thing. I'm cold. I'm going back to the car. There's people walking on the street, and I'm doing my thing. So, like, subscribe, share, and smash. What it do? Peace.